To contact the Bitget Help Center, follow these steps. Visit Bitget website or app. Open the Bitget website or launch the Bitget app on your device and log into your account. Access the Help Center. On the website, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. You will find the Help Center or support link. Click on it. On the app, tap on the profile icon, go to the settings section and select Help Center or Customer Support. Browse FAQs. Before reaching out, check the frequently asked questions for quick solutions to common issues. This can help resolve many issues without needing to contact support. Submit a ticket. If you cannot find a solution, you can submit a support ticket. Click on the Submit a Ticket or Contact Us button. Fill in your issue details, including your email, account information, and a clear description of the problem. Live chat. Bitget also offers live chat for quick responses. Look for the live chat option on the website or app and start a conversation with an agent. Wait for response. After submitting your ticket or starting the live chat, wait for the Bitget support team to respond and assist you with your inquiry.